widespread power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: strongest winds will likely be across windward and mountain areas of Oahu and Kauai. However, portions of Maui County and the Big Island could also see periods of strong winds. Take precautions now to protect property. Tie down loose objects or move them to a sheltered location. The high wind watch means that strong and potentially damaging winds in excess of 40 miles per hour with frequent gusts over 60 miles per hour are expected but not yet occurring. Take precautions now to protect property. Tie down loose objects or move them to a sheltered location.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.